Dead simple trick to bring any battery back to life. So glad you stopped by Hurricane Pantry. The moment I stumbled across this, I knew I had to share it with you. There's a new way to bring nearly any type of old battery back to life. So it's just like new again. This method works with nearly every type of battery out there. And it's simple and quick. You can use the link in the description to learn this secret battery reconditioning method. In case you're wondering, you'll be able to bring car, phone, and laptop batteries back to life with this. It even works with solar, off-grid, marine, golf cart, and forklift batteries. Plus, many more. With this reconditioned battery secret, you won't have to buy new expensive batteries anymore. You can just recondition your old, used batteries and save a lot of money. And there's a new video presentation that shows you how. So, click the link in the description and start saving tons of money today. Have a happy, safe day and check back soon for more reviews from HurricanePantry.com.